All right, with me today is Mr. James Owens, who is a reenactor with the Queen's Own Rifles, which served at Normandy. And he's going to tell us a little bit about the Canadian contribution at D-Day. The Canadians are often overlooked because they fell under the auspices of the British Empire, but they landed on JUNO Beach and played an integral role in the invasion. So, Mr. Owens, what can you tell us about the Canadians at D-Day?
Well, the Canadians had enough troops in England that in the planning for D-Day, they were assigned their own beach, JUNO Beach, which the initial assault wave consisted of the 7th and 8th Canadian Brigades, with the 9th Brigade as the follow-up element, along with an armored brigade that was put ashore. Next to Omaha Beach, JUNO was the most heavily defended. It has a seawall with multiple pillboxes along it, backed up with landmines just inside the seawall. So, needless to say, the casualties were fairly heavy on JUNO among all the assaulting regiments.
Okay. Now, did the Canadians make use of the famous duplex drive tank like the others did?
Yes, they did. They were equipped with those, and several of them actually made it to shore without problems. They were instrumental in breaching the seawall, knocking out the German pillboxes. But like all of them, they had mechanical and navigational problems.
Okay. All right. Now, how many are you familiar with the Canadians' contributions further on into the war and later into the campaign into Germany?
Yes. On July, a 2nd Canadian Division was landed in Normandy. So you have the 3rd Canadian Division and the 2nd Division, and they created the 2nd Canadian Corps, the 1st Corps being serving in Italy at the time. In 1945, they reunited all the Canadian forces in Holland, and they were instrumental in clearing not only the Channel ports, but most of Holland of German troops by the time the D-Day arrived.
Okay, great. Thank you. All right. Thank you for coming. Now, are you a native Canadian?
No, I'm not. I have lots of Canadian friends, though, and I got interested in their contribution in the war. So
okay.
Here I am. Several of them are in Normandy right now with the modern Queen's Own rifles.
Okay. Well, great. Well, thank you for your contributions. Thanks for talking to us. Appreciate it very much.
All right. Thank you.